Hey there, virtual learners. I'm Mr. Bondi, Instructional Technology Specialist with the Virtual Learning Center in Virginia Beach. Welcome to our channel, where we've got all the tips and tricks you need to rock your virtual learning experience. Today, we're going to guide you into signing in to Virtual Virginia. Let's get started. First things first, we're always going to start in ClassLink. To access ClassLink, simply press the Home button at the top of your Chrome browser. This will take you to the ClassLink login page where you can enter in your Virginia Beach username and password. Once signed in to ClassLink, you should see your Launchpad, similar to what's on my screen now. We're going to locate the Virtual Virginia icon. It either has the heart or it can be in blue. Can't find the icon? No worries. Click the plus sign at the top of the screen and search for Virtual Virginia. Once you make that search, you will find the app to add to your Launchpad. Once you click on your Virtual Virginia app, it will take you to the Virtual Virginia login page. This is where you'll enter in your Virtual Virginia username and password. Please note, this is a different login than your Virginia Beach username and password. Don't know where your login credentials are? That's okay. In ClassLink, you can search Gmail, where you can access your school-issued email address. Here, you will find an email from your VLC counselor with your username and password for Virtual Virginia. Once you enter in the credentials in the Virtual Virginia login page and click Sign Me In, you will now have access to your Virtual Virginia account. That's all for today. Hope you all have a great day. Thank you for watching.